How to set daily time limit on Instagram. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. So once the app is up to date, simply open it and enter the login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. It will open up the settings of Instagram. In the section of How do you use Instagram, the option of time management will be available to you. Head over to it. Now simply move into daily limit. It will open up the space for you. Different option of time range will be available to you. Select according to your need. Let me select 2 hours. Now whenever your daily time limit exceeds 2 hours, the Instagram itself will remind you to close the Instagram app. Not only this, they will also let you know when you are close to reaching the limit. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.